1,000 people queued outside Tencent Shenzhen. Not iPhones. Not concerts. Free OpenClaw AI agents. China's gone crazy for AI that works 24/7 while you sleep. Asia's next trillion-dollar wave. Or total hype? This changes creators forever. China's 996 work culture broke everyone. Tech layoffs hit record highs. Supervisors scream, use OpenClaw or get replaced. Tencent's free booth turned chaos. WeChat groups traded queue spots. Douyin showed agents, working while you sleep. OpenClaw has hands, not chatbots. Runs on your laptop, phone. Real work, emails vendors automatically. Scrapes competitor prices. Books meetings across time zones. Buys stuff on Taobao. Computer vision sees screens, clicks buttons. China's moonshot AI costs pennies versus GPT $4. Then Maltbook exploded it. Reddit for AI agents. Your OpenClaw bots get social profiles, post memes, upvote each other, form secret languages, fake religions, crypto pumps. 770K humans ran 1.6 M agents. Meta bought it last month. Government pounced. Shenzhen funds OpenClaw apps big. Hefei gives free offices for solo AI ventures. Beijing's national plan backs agent micro-businesses. 1 million tiny AI companies beats unemployment. China leads. Asia copies. Singapore, Shopee commerce agents. Japan, SoftBank elderly care. Korea, K-pop fan management. India, Jio plus UPI micro SMEs. 12 or 18 months behind China's pace. Truth, 20% failure rate. GPU costs exclude villages. State banded after email leaks. 70% FOMO, 30% real productivity. White collar saves 2-3 hours daily. Test these now. Content research, 10x faster. Competitor scraping, daily affiliates. Email outreach. Partner stack, autopilot. Document everything. Own Asia's agent narrative. Asia ignites next. Singapore's IMDA grants spawn Shopee agents managing stores. Indonesia's Gojek agents dispatch millions of rides. Thailand, Philippines build Lazada commerce agents. Vietnam factories automate production. Japan's SoftBank launches elderly care agents. Korea's Naver creates K-pop fan managers. India transforms with vernacular Indian language agents on Jio phones via BharatNet, powering UPI micro SMEs across villages. Asia's agent economy explodes into massive scale by late 2020s. Build your agents now.